Hey everyone, I've been working on a kind of secret project for the last month or so, and you probably already know by the title of this video, but I have created a lunar calendar for 2018. I had this idea a while ago that I wanted to create a calendar that showed all the moon phases for 2018. And you guys probably already know from my lunar journaling video that I'm getting more into learning about the moon cycles and how they affect us or our creativity or how we go about our daily lives. So I thought it would be really fun to make a calendar to go along with that. After weeks of drawing and designing and getting test prints, I finally have the finished calendar. And I'm so excited to share this with you. In this video, I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of me actually sketching out the original drawing for this calendar, which I actually have right here. I've been wanting to offer prints in my Etsy shop for so long, so I'm really excited to finally have created my first art print for you guys. To give you guys some details about the calendar, it's 11 inches by 14 inches and it's professionally printed on Fujifilm luster photo paper. So it's not matte, but it's not glossy either. It's kind of a nice in-between. It has a really nice texture and it is really high quality. I'm super happy with how the prints turned out, and I'm really glad that I decided to get them professionally printed. If you're interested in purchasing one of these calendars, I will have the link to my Etsy shop down below. So how this is going to work is they're going to be available for sale starting right now and going until next Friday, and this is going to be kind of a pre-sale. Because I am getting these professionally printed, I need to have the number of how many I need to have printed, so that's why I'm doing a pre-sale. So once the sale is over, then I will order all of the prints and they will be shipped out the following week. So my goal is to have the total amount of processing time to be about 2 weeks. We'll see how quickly they get printed and get back to me because I'm not in charge of the printing. I'm having a lab do that, so it all depends on that, but I will get them out as quickly as I can after I receive them. I had so much fun making this calendar, and I'm so excited to finally be sharing it with you. And if you decide that you don't want one of these calendars, that's totally okay. You could even take this idea and make your own lunar calendar. You can design it however you want. You could paint it, draw it, hang it on your wall, or even add it to your bullet journal if you want. There's so many ways that you could do it, so if you want a lunar calendar but you don't want to buy one, then just try making one for yourself. So now I'm going to show you the behind the scenes of me drawing the design for this calendar. So just to show you how I designed this calendar, I started out by doing a rough sketch in pencil, and then I went over it with my Pilot G-Tech pen. And this is my favorite pen to use for outlining or just drawing ink line drawings. I love it so much. It's a really thin line and it's just perfect for the type of drawings that I do. So when I finished drawing all of this, I took a picture of it and brought it into Illustrator and made it into a vector. So that's why on the final calendar design, the lines are all smoothed out and look a bit more cleaned up than they do here. That's how I usually do my designs that you see in my shop, is I'll start out by drawing them by hand and then make them digital. And I added all the color in Illustrator as well, so I just kept this original drawing black and white, and this is just how I work, but there's many ways you can do it if you're interested. I'm thinking of creating a video showing you how I do all of my designs and make them digital, so be on the lookout for that. Also, for the moon phases, I decided to do a filled-in circle to represent the full moon and then just an outline of a circle to represent the new moon. And I know that some people prefer it the other way, but this is what makes the most sense to me. So that is why I chose to do it this way. Hopefully it doesn't matter too much to you, but just so you know, the filled in circle is the full moon. And I also only did the 4 main phases of each moon cycle because it was just going to be too much to draw out every single day of the year, and it would have just been a really cluttered calendar, so I decided to do just the new moon, the first quarter, the full moon, and then the last quarter. That's it for this video, and I just want to say thank you again for all of your support. Even just being here and watching my videos, I really appreciate it so much. And once again, I will have the link down below to the calendar print if you would like to purchase one. And remember that they're only going to be for sale for the next week. So if you want to get one, then go check out that link down below. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video.